4mm side bolts loosen, not all the way. Just enough, not all the way. It'll give play. And then should be able to move it as so. Make sure that these bottom are loose, not all the way out, and you'll be able to move it.
After she tied it back.
Oh, and then to tighten it back, after setting desired position, go ahead and use your 5 and tighten those bolts back on the side. If you have a torque wrench, follow the specs on the stem, which is 11 newton meters on this one and 16 newton meters on this one. And then make sure top screws are all the way down, and then you want to tighten the bottom screws. Make sure to position your bars the way you want to as well before tightening all the way down. Top screws, there should be no gap, and then it is 5 to 6 newton meters on the bottom screws.
Okay, let me see the goes. Okay, so 225 and